Hi and welcome to Streetpin and this orientation video. So when you type in streetpin.com, you'll start on our homepage and you can either click on the Get Started or the Streetpin logo in the top left. At any time, click on this logo and this will bring you back to the map page. So you'll probably see a little pop-up asking if we can use your location. If you allow us to use location, we can show you the content that's near you now. If you don't allow the location to be used, then you'll start your journey in sunny Croydon. What you'll see on the map are what we call pins. So these are categorized pins for various different businesses. So a food and drink or a business, or this is an outdoors. So if I click on this, that'll give me the title. And I click on this little green arrow, that will take me to the pin board. These larger ones with all the people, those are hubs. So these are an aggregation of various different content from multiple pinboards. So it could be a one-stop shop for a member organization, or it could be a showcase. It's basically where lots of different businesses and communities, their content is shown together. Underneath, this will show posts and offers from the various different businesses in the area. So there's multiple ones here. It could be adding videos, it could be giving various different offers. The posts are in white and the offers are in various different colors. The offers will have contact details and bits and pieces that allow you to get more involved in the content. So this is just an example of content that is shown near me where I am now. We can also search for specific content. So just say we're looking for an umbrella because it's raining. We can type in and see what's available here and now. We're going to have a quick look for Christmas cards. So Christmas cards, we can reset the area. Does it need to be does it need to be walking distance, or anything up to 10 kilometers? So we're going to search for Christmas cards. And it looks like Tangent Office are open for business, and they also sell, somewhere here, it'll show they sell Christmas cards. Okay, we can also search for a location. So this will change. So let's type in Beckenham. Search for Beckenham. You'll see that there are some blue circles here. This means that there are multiple pins in this area. So if we click on those, that'll zoom in and it will show various different icons categorized for the type of business there. You'll see underneath, this also shows the different content from the Beckenham area. We can also search for individual pinboards. So we're going to search for a group called the Friday Wind Down. So if you click on this, this will take you directly to this hub, which is the same as a pinboard, but it pulls in various different contents. So this particular group, they're creating video business cards. So you'll see various different businesses showing off their goods and their services. You can create posts and you can share this content. You need to be, you'll also be able to follow a pinboard. You need to be logged in to do so. So to log in, you click on this icon here, the profile icon, and then as a new user, go to sign up and then put in your details there. This will then prompt an email. So check your email and validate your email address. Now that you're logged in, you'll see a few more options in the menu. So you'll see my pinboards, my offers, my posts. There are little videos for each one of those, just so you can get a little bit of help how to do each function. That's all found in the how-to section. Or alternatively, you can contact us here, or the little blue icon down the bottom. So that's it for orientation. Welcome on board.